you can see what he is doing. The boy is climbing a tree. Now the boy is climbing a tree. Now the boy is riding a bicycle. Now the boy is riding a bicycle. Hey everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Gulshan and I help you with your spoken English. From today I have started a series in which I will be teaching you English in very powerful manner. The series name is Comprehensible Input. Comprehensible input is like talking to someone in a way that they can understand most of it. Even if they are still learning, they can understand it from the context, from visuals. That's what I am going to do. I will be making videos in which I will be showing you doing something real, and I will be talking about that while doing the things I will be showing. In this series, you will automatically learn grammar, how to form sentences, and so much more. This is very powerful and effective way to learn any language. Let's get started and learn this language very easily. It's going to be fun. That boy is playing. That boy is playing. Repeat with me. That boy is playing. That boy is walking. That boy is walking. Now start jogging. That boy is jogging. Now the boy is running. Now the boy is running. Now the boy is climbing a tree. Now the boy is climbing a tree. Now he climbed. Now the boy is climbing down. Now the boy is climbing down. Now the boy is climbing down of a tree. Repeat with me. Now he has climbed down. The boy is sitting under a mango tree. The boy is sitting under a mango tree. You can see. Repeat with me. The boy is sitting under a mango tree. Now the boy is coming towards me. The boy is coming towards me. Now the boy is pointing out a tree. Now the boy is pointing out a tree. Now the boy is throwing a stone. Now the boy is throwing a stone. Now you can see the boy is giggling. Now the boy is giggling. Now the boy is laughing. Now the boy is laughing. Now the boy got very excited and he wants to sweep the ground. Now he has started sweeping the ground. He is sweeping the ground. He is sweeping the ground. Repeat with me again. He is sweeping the ground. Now he is carrying a bucket with clothes. You can see he is carrying a bucket with the help of his right hand. Now the boy wanted to ride a bicycle and he started riding a bicycle. Now the boy is riding a bicycle. Now the boy is riding a bicycle. She is washing clothes on a cement slab. She is washing clothes on a cement slab. You can see she is washing clothes on a cement slab. Now the boy got very excited and he is dancing now. The boy is dancing now. The boy is dancing now. And he has a big smile on his face. You can see he has a big smile on his face. Now the boy is sitting under a tree and watching something in his phone. And he is sitting very comfortably under a tree and enjoying what he is watching. Now the boy is taking pictures of himself, like he is taking selfie. You can see he is taking selfie. Now the boy is very kind. Now he is watering the plants. Now he is watering the plants. You can see. Let me tell you one more thing. We don't have motor systems at our home, so we use this hand pump to get waters. So with the help of this hand pump, we get water every single day. Yesterday when I was shooting this video, it started raining heavily and I was not able to shoot this video. We waited for rain to stop, but it didn't stop. So what I did, I stopped shooting this video yesterday and thought of why not shoot this video tomorrow. That is why I am shooting this video today. So yeah, before I do anything, let me introduce this boy to you guys. This boy is my nephew and I wanted to shoot this action videos by myself, but you know what, I have a mic with wire, and that wire is only 6 meters long, and when I do action videos I have to do some kind of things that will take more than 6-meter wires, and I would not be able to do with just 6-meter wires. That is why I choose my nephew to do all the actions in this video. So that is why I thought of why not introduce this boy to you all guys. You can see he is so cute. He is also very naughty boy, and he's gonna do all the things in this video. So let's get started. And after the rain has stopped, it was water all over the place and we were not able to shoot videos. So that is why we decided to shoot videos tomorrow, and here we are shooting this video today. And yeah, he is enjoying himself hanging to a branch of this tree. Let's see what he is doing. He is picking up the branches. Like after heavy rain there was so many fallen branches, and now he is picking up all the branches. Now what he is doing, he bends down to check the muddy ground. Like he is checking the muddy ground and he is bending down, you can see, to check muddy. Now he is waving to a girl. Now he is waving to a girl, like you can see, he is waving. He is waving. Now he is jumping over a puddle. Now he is jumping over a puddle to make sure that his legs are safe. Now he is stepping out of the room. Now he is stepping out of the room.
Beautiful day.
What?
Beautiful day.
He is saying that it is very beautiful day today. He is saying that it is very beautiful day today. You can see the weather. It's mostly cloudy days today, and you can see the clouds are all over the sky, you can see. Now he is playing in the sand. You can see he is painting something on the ground, like he is drawing something. Now he is pointing at the shapes of the cloud in the sky. Now he is collecting the fire foods before it rains, because it is about to rain today, and he is collecting fire food